Right, in this video I'm going to show you how to work the Nord MCU and how to make it easy to work with, because yeah, when you see it like this, it does look a bit worrying. It does look scary at first, but you can buy actual wires and solder directly on there, or use DuPont pins and connectors and do it that way. But the easiest method that I've found, it allows you to use these over and over again and switch them out, is to get one of these. Now this is a screw terminal adapter. It turns all the legs on this into screw terminal points. So it's so simple, you just match the leg up with the legs on there. So we've got 3.3V in the bottom right corner, and then we look at this and we see the bottom right corner, and then we simply stand it over, making sure the pins line up at the side, one's overhanging. That's it in place, and then once you've got it in place, you press it in, and then you've turned a Nord MCU into a screw terminal controller. And you'll see how this works with the Knight Rider light using one basic LED strip. So that's how to make a controller into an easy working mod that can do loads for your car. And you can get these screw terminals for the S3 as well. Alright, this is a useful video to go with build your own Knight Rider light. This is a Nord MCU, and here we have a 51 LED Knight Rider light. Well, strip. We're going to turn it into a Knight Rider light using the Nord MCU. As you can see, it's already wired. If we follow the wires back, just at the power, which is on the power of the LED, we want to add a capacitor, which is 1000 UF, across the negative and live, negative on negative, live on live for the capacitor. And then what we want to do is we want to split the earth. So we need to have two earths coming off, because we send one earth with a data wire, and we use the other live and earth to go to power, which, as you can see, goes to power up here. You also need 12 volt to 5V buck converter. This turns 12 volt into 5 volt, safe for the circuit. And then, as you can see, the yellow is the output live, the red and black are the input live, used by my little tester machine. And that'll input the 12 volt. This converter will kick out the 5 volt, send it down, it'll hit here, it'll send power to the LEDs, and then it'll also send power along here, which goes in the VIN, voltage in, and ground on the very bottom of the Nord MCU. Then on the other side, I've got a 330 resistor coming out of D4 that connects to your green data wire, and that split ground that we brought comes out of ground, and that split ground is what's been split from the LED. And then when we turn on the tester, it sends, and we have a Knight Rider light. And this, in the sketch, has been commented where you can upgrade the speed, the colours, the trail. But that is the concept of making your own Knight Rider light, and how cool these little microcontrollers are.